Welcome back to Spy Garage.
By pushing the limits of what a recreational vehicle can be, the 2026 Ferrari Hybrid VIP Motorhome is a radical reinvention of luxury and mobility. This innovative idea, which is far from a simple motorhome, is best defined as a supercar turned into a smart home, a tribute to unmatched engineering, bold design, and a commitment to hyper-luxury that only a company like Ferrari could conceivably imagine. The 2026 Ferrari Hybrid VIP Motorhome would appear to be a departure from traditional motorhome design, integrating Ferrari's recognizable design language, sleek, aerodynamic lines, aggressive yet elegant curves, and possibly even the classic Rosso Corsa or other custom Ferrari colors, onto a much larger but wonderfully nimble platform would create a sculpture-like masterpiece. The design would emphasize sophisticated aerodynamics to increase efficiency, which is a defining characteristic of Ferrari's performance DNA. In addition to visual drama, modern materials would be used, perhaps with a lot of carbon fiber composites to guarantee stiffness and low weight, which are essential even for a car this size. Its modern and high-performance appearance would also be enhanced by creative, flush-mounted lighting arrays and active aerodynamic components. But the real revolution would come from within. To satisfy the most discriminating customers, the Ferrari Hybrid VIP Motorhome's interior would have an unwavering fusion of custom luxury and cutting-edge smart home technology. This would be a multi-zone smart home setting. Forget about conventional RV layouts. With hand-stitched leather upholstery, rare wood veneers, polished carbon fiber accents, and custom-fabricated metal embellishments, the living areas would be a stunning display of Italian craftsmanship. Every component would be expertly designed and built with meticulous attention to detail. The smart home core would be formed by the smooth integration of technology. Every element of the environment would be managed by a central AI system that is voice-activated and easily controlled through touch interfaces. This would include dynamic lighting that changes according to the mood or the outside environment, adaptive climate management, and a multi-zone entertainment system with high-definition holographic displays and audiophile caliber music. With multi-redundant satellite internet, secure quantum-encrypted communications, and extensive cybersecurity measures to guarantee privacy and continuous access in any location, connectivity would be crucial. With top-of-the-line or even robotically aided appliances, the kitchen would be a gourmet area that is both simple and highly practical. The VIP element would show up as highly configurable setups. A large salon, a private office, an opulent master suite with a spa-like bathroom, and possibly even a special space for exercise or meditation might all be included in the design. Retractable walls and modular furniture might enable quick space conversion, converting the motorhome from a large entertaining area to a private haven. The hybrid tag underneath indicates a sophisticated propulsion system, most likely a potent hybrid powertrain that combines a powerful internal combustion engine with cutting-edge electric motors and a sizable battery pack. In addition to offering a great deal of power for smooth driving, this would also operate silently and emit no emissions in cities or while parked. A custom-built chassis with an ultra-advanced active suspension system would smooth out any flaws in the road and provide a magic carpet ride that is synonymous with the pinnacle of luxury, even when traveling at high speeds. With its distinctive fusion of supercar spirit and home comfort, the 2026 Ferrari Hybrid VIP Motorhome would be more than just a means of transportation. It would be a mobile declaration of ultimate wealth, technological skill, and an unmatched lifestyle. In other words, it would be a custom, independent palace on wheels.